Right now, so right now what we're going to be doing is working on the oriented tool. So first we'll create a workstation, bring in our assets. So import file, import those two items. Grab our spaceship and grab our background. Deselect them all. Go and select our pencil. And after that, we got our items. Then after that, we go to content, shape, path, edit, copy, collapse it, select this. I don't know why it's not selecting that. We'll select our spaceship. We'll go to transform, position, edit, paste. We'll bring in this track path. Then we'll fix the orientation of the spaceship. Go to layers, transform, auto orient, one path. And if you need to, you can check because usually it's not always the best. And then just go back to the layer if need be. And just make sure you go to auto orient and just keep kind of check around. And once that's all nice and tidy, you got your spaceship all set and go.